In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut Business Account on Ltd. We'll walk through the entire process from the first search to getting into your dashboard so you can set this up smoothly the first time. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut Business. On the official site, look for the option to create an account and click it. Before you go any further, choose your country and make sure Revolut supports business accounts there. Availability varies, so confirming this now saves time later. When you're ready, hit continue. Next, you'll be asked about your legal business type. Select limited company or Ltd as your business structure, then continue. Enter your email address, continue again, and check your inbox for the authorization link. Open that message and authorize the login to securely connect your email to the application. You'll then enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected, especially if your number was issued in a different country than your company. Continue, then enter the verification code sent to your phone. Create a strong password you'll remember and continue. Provide your date of birth, continue, and then enter your residential address. This should match your official documents to avoid delays. Continue again and search for your company's legal name. Select the correct match and continue. Now it's time to add business details. Enter your business's legal name exactly as it's registered, your company's house registration number, and the date of incorporation. Accuracy here is crucial because Revolut cross-checks these details. Continue, then fill in your business address, city, and postcode. If your trading address differs from your registered office, use the one that fits the form, staying consistent with your official records. Continue. You'll now verify your identity. Continue to the document selection screen and choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or national ID, based on what's accepted in your region. Follow the prompts to start recording a short liveness video. Make sure you're in a well-lit space, keep your face fully visible, and follow the on-screen instructions so the system can match your video to your ID. After you've submitted your verification, the review may take a little time. Once it's approved, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. From there, you can start exploring features, but your account setup is complete for an Ltd company. If anything doesn't match your records, go back and correct it to avoid verification delays. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new business account.